Hello friends, I am here once again with top 5 tech pieces which you can use in your day-to-day life and also give as a gift to your loved ones. So let's start. So this is unbreakable mechanical pen. The only thing I want to say about this pen is it is very durable. You can't break it. Its name defines the thing itself. You can't break it, and you got 12 refills as a bonus when you buy it. You don't have to buy extra refills for this pen. The 12 set of refills came with the pen, and it has a double spring suspension technology which is very useful to ride smoothly and flexibly. And if you want to give this to your father or to a student or to someone close, so it will be a very good gift for them. So if you want to buy this, then check the link in the description below. So this is the telecoil lighter, a rechargeable electric lighter that required no flame, no butane, no hassle. This innovative lighter worked by creating an electric arc with one press of a button. Simply you can charge it via USB and you're ready to go anytime, anywhere. Since the lighter uses no flame, it's not only windproof but also economical and environment friendly. So no more liquid fluid refilling or throwing out those cheap plastic lighters. The lighter also has a safety feature, so it will not light up when the lid is closed. So if you want to buy this, then check the link. This is Vape Shot. So it's a new refreshing way to enjoy mixed drinks and shot with 0 calories with no hangover. And Vape Shot bring out the real aroma and flavor of this desired spirit. Unique tip design allow it using with any bottle. So how to use it? Get empty 2-liter bottles and pour small amount of your favorite mixed drink or shot. So, and the third thing is you do is to insert Vape Shot on the top of the bottle, hold firmly and pump 15 to 20 times, and the Vape Shot quickly release to create vape clouds, and then enjoy without 0 calories and 0 hangover. So if you want to buy, then check the. So this is Don't Die in Wood, the toughest ultralight survival tent you will find anywhere. It is guaranteed by the owner of this product. So it is designed for hikers and outdoor adventurers. The DDITW Pro Ultralight Survival Tent provides year-round protection from 2 adults from harsh weather in any season. It consists of a Mylar and Paracord rope. Their other emergency shelters are made flimsy and cheap for one-time use. They have tested and designed every detail with a high-quality material available. So their heat flex Mylar is strong and more flexible than ordinary Mylar to withstand harsh weather conditions and rocky terrain. With 425 lb strength Paracord, reinforced tape seam, and a nylon storage sack, this tent is reusable and built to last forever. So if you want to buy it, then check the link in the description below. So this is prepaid. It is a lunchbox. It is an intelligently designed, beautifully crafted lunchbox and smart lunch recipe app. So it redefined the whole experience of taking lunch, from planning to preparing to tracking the nutrition value of your lunch. So it is uncompromisingly modern, consisting of main case crafted from a high quality natural bamboo that houses a versatile modular system of container, and it is flexible, it is durable, and it came with a chopstick set which is blue in colored. So what are the features? So let's talk about the features. So it is handicrafted from natural bamboo and a precision engineered polymer which doesn't affect your food quality. It is chemical free, and the modular food storage container system has a 1 large and 2 small container included, and it is FDA approved and BPA free material. So if you want to buy, so link in the description below, check there. So thanks for watching, and I will be back with more awesome tech things, and keep blessed and stay tuned. Bye bye.